now solve some more equation using completing the square method. But now our case is when a is equals to 2. Before this we practiced the equations where a value was 1. So we have seen what happens when a is equals to 1 and we know the process. How can we achieve this in this type of equation? We can always do this by making a equals to 1, and to make a equals to 1 we will simply go ahead and divide the entire equation by the a value. In this case a is equals to 2. So we will go ahead and divide the whole equation on left and the right side by 2, which will give us x squared plus 7x minus 1/2 equals to 0. Remember, from now on all the steps are the same as previous. We will separate our variable terms on one side and the constant terms on the other side. So to do that we will add 1/2 on both sides, which will give us x squared plus 7x equals to 1/2. Now we'll find the b value, which is 7. And to complete the square, we will add b over 2 squared on both sides of this equation. In this case b is 7, so b over 2 squared would be 7 over 2 squared, and we will add that to both sides of this equation, which will give us x squared plus 7x plus 7 over 2 squared equals to 1/2 plus 7 over 2 squared. Now let's use the trick that we discussed in our previous videos. We will use the same trick to find the factors of this special product. I'll simply go ahead. So now we will, before we use the trick, we will solve the right side of this equation first. 1/2 plus 49 over 4. Now we'll go ahead and use the trick. I'll take x from x squared plus sign, which is sign of the middle term, the last term which was supposed to be squared, and put it under parentheses and use the squared sign. On the right side we need to make our denominators look alike, which will give us 2/4 plus 49 over 4. X plus 7 squared equals to 51 over 4. From here on we know we need to find the square root of both sides to solve this further. Apply the square root property, which will give us x plus 7 equals to plus minus square root of 51 over 4. Now we know that square root of 4 is 2, so I can, in the next step, I can take out my 4 from the square root sign and rewrite this equation as x plus 7 equals to plus square root of 51 over 2, or x plus 7 over 2 equals to square root of negative 51 over 2. I forgot to put the 2 over 7, so let's do that. I'm going to subtract 7 over 2 on both sides, which will give us x equals to, subtracting 7 over 2 on both sides will give me x equals to negative 7 over 2 plus square root of 51 over 2, or x equals to negative 7 over 2 minus square root of 51 over 2. I hope this helps. See you next time.